Hello my lovelies! Do you love potatoes as much as I do? Then this recipe is perfect for you. We're going to make some potato cheese pancakes. Doesn't that look great? Start by boiling or steaming 300 grams of potatoes, cool them down and then mash them until smooth. You don't need to use a rolling pin, you can use a fork if you like. They will look something like this. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it in really well. You want to make sure it's mixed in well so you don't get clumps of salt in your mouth. Add 3 tablespoons of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can use corn flour or even regular flour, but you won't get that lightness and that crunch that you get from rice flour. Mix it in well. At this point, you can use your hands if you want, if that's easier for you. Divide the mixture equally into 6 balls. Press them flat with your hands and then you can stuff them with 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese. This is absolutely amazing. You can't imagine how great the flavor is with just a few simple ingredients. Now you want to bring the edges together and seal the cheese inside. Roll it up into a ball and then press it down to flatten it into like a cutlet shape. Flatten and shape them as much as possible so the cheese melts while cooking and we get that great cheese pull when we break them apart. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This recipe is great because it can easily be doubled to serve more people. To freeze this, I recommend covering these in egg and breadcrumbs and then freezing them. I serve this with pizza sauce, but you can serve them with whatever sauce your family prefers. Now that we've shaped these potato cheese pancakes, we're ready to fry them. So you want to heat 5 to 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan on a medium heat. Place 3 pancakes in the oil at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan, otherwise the potato cheese pancakes will break apart. Fry each side for around 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown and delicious. This makes for a great tea time snack because they come together so quickly. Remove them from the oil and blot off any excess oil. Serve them with your favorite sauces and make sure you serve them super hot. Just take a look at how great the cheese pull is. You guys are in for a treat. Have a look. That looks amazing. It looks perfect. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. Much love and have a good one. Bye.